Welcome to our tutorial on using the copy command in AutoCAD. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of using this command to duplicate objects within your drawings. First, let's locate the copy command icon. It is typically found in the Modify panel of the Home tab. Alternatively, you can also access it by typing copy in the command line and hitting enter. Now, let's practice using the copy command with a simple object. In this case, we have a rectangle that we'd like to duplicate in another location. To begin, select the copy command icon or enter copy in the command line. AutoCAD will prompt you to select objects to copy. Click on the rectangle to select it. Once the object is selected, you will notice grips appearing at its corners or specific points, depending on the object type. These grips act as reference points for the duplication operation. Now, we need to specify the base point from which the object will be copied. Depending on your specific requirement, choose any of the available grips as the base point. For this demonstration, we will use the bottom left grip as the base point for the copy operation. Left-click on this grip to select it. After selecting the base point, AutoCAD prompts you to specify the second point or displacement. We can either enter specific X and Y coordinates or use dynamic input to drag the object to the desired location. Congratulations! You have successfully duplicated the rectangle to a new location using the copy command. Remember, the copy command can be used to duplicate multiple objects simultaneously. Simply select all the objects you want to copy and proceed with the same steps explained earlier. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to use the copy command in AutoCAD. We hope you found it helpful and that you can now confidently duplicate objects in your drawings. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AutoCAD tutorials. See you next time.